Question 738 is a fun one for me because I went out and saw a sperm whale recently, and this question is about sperm whales. So I enjoyed this one very much. I've condensed the text down, as you should, and it says this: foraging at all times of the day and night, but interspersing their feeding with periods of rest that last between 1 and 8 hours, a sperm whale could eat so much as a ton of squid. Now let's try and spot the difference between that and the rest of the text. So with B, you have a slight difference. You have sperm whales, and with C you have sperm whales again. So there's a clear difference there with A, because A talks about a sperm whale. So we need to decide, is it a sperm whale that comes after the comma, or as with B and C and D, sperm whales? We need to look for clues somewhere in the sentence. And to be honest, the beginning of the sentence doesn't really help me, does it? Foraging at all times of the day and night. That could be sperm whales or a sperm whale. But there is another word in the beginning of the sentence that gives it away. Can you spot that word? If you said there, you're right. So there is for plural. Let's write that down. There is for plural. And so we know it's going to be talking about sperm whales. So it's going to be B, C or D, not A or E. Now you might be wondering, should it be between 1 and 8 or from 1 to 8? Well, actually both of those expressions are correct. But notice the form. It's actually between A and B. The word between would always be followed in the GMAT with an and in the correct answer. You can't have, as C does, between and then a to. So when you're seeing the phrase between, always look out for an and. Similarly, when you're seeing a from, it should always be followed by a to. So from A to B. It's the from and the to that is critical. So both B and D use the correct forms, between and from to. So how can we make our decision? They both got sperm whales as well. The difference seems to be, if you look at the very end, can eat as much as, or could eat so much as. This is why this sentence is also about diction, because a common error is to use the phrase so much as. I could eat so much as an elephant today. That's actually wrong. So much as is wrong. The correct answer is as much as. I could eat as much as an elephant today. So B gets everything right. We've got between and then an and. We've got sperm whales and can eat as much as a ton of squid. So B is correct here.